Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to find and remove duplicate files on PC. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. First, go to your search menu and look for indexing options. Tap on modify. And then here you have to make sure that all of these are checked. You can also tap on show all locations and make sure that you have selected this all boxes right here. After that, tap OK and then tap X. Now, what you're going to do next is you have to go back to your search menu, and then this time you have to search for File Explorer, and this time you have to look for your local disk, PC, tap OSC, and tap on Users, and then this time you have to look for View, tap on Detail pane, tap on Details, tap on Sort By, and you can change this to Date Modified. Everything is up to you. Now, once done, what you're going to do next is you have to go to search users and type that specific keyword. For example, you're looking for duplicate of this letter R right here. Then once you tap that word or file, you should see all duplicated files here. And all you have to do is to tap and then delete. Or you can select all and then remove. And that's how to find and remove duplicate files on PC. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.